Just listed in Ocean Shores. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. You gotta come check this out. Welcome home. With 2 separate entrances, you've got flexibility depending on how you want to live in the space. On the main level, you'll find a mudroom, a full bathroom, and 2 bedrooms. One currently set up as a flexible office space that's perfect for working from home or hosting guests. And this is where it all opens up. Oh, it's beautiful in here. Vaulted ceilings, oversized windows, and an open concept layout that brings incredible natural light in. The kitchen is clean, modern, and functional, featuring custom German cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a layout that actually works for everyday living. Off the kitchen, you'll find another bedroom, a shared bathroom with custom tile finishes, and that detail carries throughout all 3 bathrooms, and the primary suite. Tons of space, and this bathroom features a massive walk-in shower with more. Check it out, custom tile. This 1,950 square foot home could be all yours for just $549,000. Let's go! Set on a spacious lot with a large backyard, perfect for summer hangouts, lawn games, or letting the pups run free. Whether you're looking for a full-time home, a weekend escape, or just a place to slow things down a bit, this one really delivers. And take a look at this, just a short drive to the beach. Oh, you guys, how peaceful is this? Give me the beach and I am a happy camper. If you've been thinking about making a move to the coast, connect with Cindy Carver and me and we'll walk you through it before it's gone. What are you waiting for?